You okay?
Yeah.
You guys okay? Are you okay? You guys okay? You okay?
I'm sorry, I only have my permit.
No, it's fine, it's fine. There's nothing to worry about.
Learning like
No, it's fine, it's fine. There's nothing to worry about. Let's do something. Put it on neutral. Is it on neutral?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna push you back here, okay? Just make sure you hit the brakes so you can get out of the way. I'm gonna push you back there, okay? Turn the wheel, I'm gonna push you back.
Can you take off your seatbelt?
I'm gonna push you back there so the cars can get through, okay?
Okay.
So just turn your wheel so you don't hit the car behind you, okay? And then turn it straight, turn it straight, turn it straight, turn the wheel straight. Turn it straight. All right, park it, park it. All right, just, you just have to call the cops. They'll be here soon. But have a good one, okay? You guys okay?